So thanks, Miss Ahuja, for like that kind introduction to your college. We've got some questions from students. Do you mind if we start a little Q&A with you so that like students can have more of the understanding of how they can proceed to your college?
Yes, please, sure. I'll be glad to help. I'll be glad to give all the information that I have with me.
Okay, so first question that we have is from Satvik Sharma. He's asking, what's the average price of courses? I think he wants to ask, what's the average cost of a program in your college?
Okay, so the tuition fees in Coast Mountain College comes around 7,000 Canadian dollar for a semester and 14,000 Canadian dollar for a year, which in Indian rupees comes around 7,85,000 approximately, in which their health insurance is also covered for their first term.
Okay. So I hope this addressed your query, Mr. Satvik. Second question है, what is the average cost in terrace? तो वो टेरेस स्पेसिफिकली सिटी के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. What is the average cost of living in terrace?
Okay, so cost of living terrace की आ जाएगी around let's say 25,900 Canadian dollars, including everything. उनके international tuition fees से लेके textbook and supplies, their meals, their housing, including everything. So it also depends. They can just reduce it if they are not taking textbook and supplies. So that amount will obviously get deducted. So around it comes around for a year. It comes around 25,900 approximately.
Okay. So we got one more question from a student. What are your requirements for accepting a student? I think they were late in your live session.
Yeah, no issue. So it's pretty simple. We are not having any special eligibility for different programs. So it would be very easy for me. So for all the programs that we are having, चाहे वो अंडर ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा हो, चाहे वो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा हो, सारे प्रोग्राम्स के लिए academic requirement is same. Our academic requirement is 50% overall and 50% in core subjects. Now, as English test requirements is in IELTS, we need overall 6, no less than 5.5. Now we accept 5.5 not just in one module, we accept 5.5 in 2 modules also. So this is
a good
all the
option for the
basic
students. I think a lot of students are asking the same question again and again. It would be really nice if you could like address this one as well. What are the application dates for your college? So I think the mean to ask like what are the intakes and what dates are you like taking the students in?
Okay, so we are having 3 intakes in Coast Mountain College, and those are January, May, and September. I'm so sorry. And right now we are open for January 2021. We are having, you can apply right now for applications for January 2021. Send all your educational documents to Preet Agency so that they can guide you properly for which program you can apply and everything. So right now, yes, January 2021, as soon as you'll apply, you'll get offer letter. Just pay your tuition fees right away.
Oh yeah. So hurry up, guys. This is like a good opportunity. So how long it's going to take for their offer letter to come?
Okay, so turnaround time for offer letter is not more than 8 to 10 working days. It would be just 8 to 10 working days. That's it.
So, okay. So if we apply today as 28th of August, so they should be getting it by 8th of September.
Yeah, round.
Okay. So what happens when their study permit, like God forbid, their study permit gets rejected? So what happens then? What is the refund process and stuff?
Okay, so at that time, if आपका study permit refuse हो जाता है, at that time, you have to share a form with us. We'll share first the form with you. That is different form. So once that is filled and everything, 200 Canadian dollars will be deducted, and आपको refund मिल जाएगा under 8 to 10 weeks. Student will get refund in 8 to 10 weeks.
Okay. So any deduction of the amount, कोई पैसा वैसा कटेगा उसमें से?
200 Canadian dollars.
Okay. Sorry, I missed that. So ये तो बहुत ही vague सा question है. Is it possible to work while studying? I'll answer that for you. Yes, it is possible. Coast Mountain College is a public college, and you will get 20 hours of work rights while studying, and graduation work permit after you complete your diploma or postgrad diploma. I hope I was correct on that, Disha.
Yes, absolutely correct.
Okay. What is the average hourly wage for a student in Terrace? This is very Terrace specific. Like, I think our audience is very knowledgeable.
Yeah, actually, we are having 3 campuses, that is Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers. So part-time jobs are pretty easily available over there. And CMTN says, Coast Mountain College says that if a student is studying in Coast Mountain College, they'll be getting minimum of 13.80 Canadian dollar wage rate hourly. So this is the minimum I'm talking about. Last month, I was having a conversation with a student, and she's getting paid $15 to $16. So part-time jobs are pretty easily available over there, and wage rate is also good.
Okay. So, is it possible to rely on job for a daily life expenses? Very good question.
Yes, it is. See, I told you that I think it depends upon your needs also, where you are staying, if you're staying on campus, or if you're going for apartment sharing or homestay. So your we can say your cost of living gets little bit of yahan wahan, just like that. But yes, I do think that we can rely on that.
Okay. So this is a very important question. How's the weather in Terrace? Is it cold? Is it like Vancouver? How's it?
So our summer comes around 30 to 31 degrees maximum, and our winters can little bit harsh. It can be 20, 21 degree, but not always. I'm just telling you maximum that we can go sometimes. Okay. This is how the weather is.
Okay. So shouldn't need to pack like warm clothes for Canada. That's for sure.
Yes.
Is there any work where this is from Amandeep Kaur actually? So she's asking, is there any work available on campus?
No, Amandeep, we are not having work available on campus, but we are pretty sure there are plenty of part-time jobs, or after completing your programs, jobs available outside campus.
So this is Ranbir Singh is asking, is it possible to drive on my Indian license in Canada? Yes, it is.
So,
sorry, I answered for you.
No issues on that.
So what kind of work is available to students during a study phase is asked by Prabjot Singh.
Okay, so we are having plenty of part-time jobs opportunities. See, if you can also work on a cash counter, you can also work as an accountant, you can work on the local stores, departmental stores, McDonald's. So we are having good criteria of part-time jobs available for students.
So this should answer it, Prabjot. So there's one student, Tanya Sharma, is asking, are there additional requirement for under 18 students? She's 17 years old. She's saying, will your college accept me?
No, Prabjot, please wait for one more year. We need 18 years. Minimum age limit is 18 years.
Okay, it was Tanya actually. She asked it.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Yes, okay, Tanya.
Okay, so that's about it. We have these questions till now, and we'll be sharing a few more questions if the students ask and we don't have the answers. I think I had a lot of answers, but I wanted students to interact with you directly so that they hear like straight from you. So thank you so much, Disha. It was like great pleasure, and thanks for taking out your time for us.
Thank you so much for having me. And January intake is open, students. Just apply for January intake, send all your documents to PET agencies so that we can guide you according to it. And again, yes, thank you so much for having me. Stay safe, stay with your family. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.